In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install free fonts from 1001 Free Fonts and use them in Krita. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find fonts, how to install them on your computer, and how to make them show up inside Krita so you can start using them in your artwork right away. First, head over to 1001freefonts.com. This site hosts a large collection of fonts in different styles, from bold display faces to clean sans serifs and handwritten scripts. Use the categories and search to narrow things down, and try the preview feature to see how a font looks with your text before you download it. As you browse, take a moment to check each font's license. Many are free for personal use, while commercial use may require a license from the creator. Also, be mindful of the download buttons on the page and click the one next to the specific font name to avoid unrelated ads. Once you've found a font you like, download it to your computer. You'll usually get a zip file. Open it to reveal the font files, typically .ttf or .otf. Both formats work well in most cases. Open the font file and click the Install button. On Windows, that button appears at the top of the preview window. On macOS, choose Install Font to add it to FontBook. If the download includes multiple styles like regular, bold, and italic, install the ones you plan to use so they all appear as a family. If prompted, installing for all users can help ensure other apps recognize the font. If you already had Krita open, close it now so it can refresh its font list when you reopen it. Now, launch Krita. Your newly installed font is added automatically because Krita reads the fonts installed on your system. Open a document, select the text tool, and click on the canvas to create a text box. In the font dropdown, type the name of the font to find it quickly, then adjust the size, weight, and spacing to suit your design. If you don't see the font immediately, restart Krita, and if it still doesn't appear, restart your computer to refresh your system's font cache. And that's it. You visited 1001 Free Fonts, chose and downloaded a font, installed it on your system, and used it in Krita. Keep exploring different styles and remember to review each font's license before using it in commercial work. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with your new fonts.